Sitaram. Welcome to this our 17th Satsang edition. With you, I, Pandit Vishnudat Maharaj. Once again, I'm very blessed and privileged to be able to continue this Thursday Satsang, which is important not only for religious reasons but to structure family life, to structure one's personal life as well, in order so that we would understand what is really for us, what we should be in this world. So, I want to welcome you once again, and I want to thank you all once again for your support and all that you are doing to help in the Ganapati Seva charity group that I have founded, and for all other things that we were doing. Remember, we had a food drive, 3 food drive we were able to do, 2 lunches and a breakfast. We do hampers, and there are so many other things that we would do in the future. I want to thank all of you for your generous support, for all that you are doing to make this happen. I also want to go further in thanking for all that is happening with COVID-19, since we are seeing a little more opening up now and everybody is getting back to a kind of normal life, not as yet but slowly, and we want to thank God for that. So let's all join our palms, bow our heads, and close our eyes in prayer. Om Gananam Tva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Priyanam Tva Priyapati Gum Havamahe Vasuaham Jani Garbhatvam Jasi Garbhatvam Om Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddha Bhavatu Me Sada. Om Guruda Brahma Guruda Vishnu Guruda Deva Maheshwara Guruda Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Namo Vijnana Rupaya Paramananda Rupine Krishnaya Gopinathaya Govindaya Namastute. Om Ram Ramaya Rambhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitaya Patai Namaha. Oh Lord, I thank you. And this, the 14th day is May in this year 2020, as I continue to serve you, to make an offering to the world through satsang. Let it be that all that takes place, all that is going on in this satsang will be relevant, will be meaningful to all who are listening and who will be part of this. As I pray deeply for all affected by all the changes taking place through COVID-19 and all other things that are happening in the world today. In thy name I pray. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Bole Shri Raja Ramachandra ki Jai. Now, today, I know that we are in a time when we need to refocus. We need to have more inner light. We need to be able to bring out from ourselves that inspiration and that true understanding. So We'll join as we sing together. Ram Krishna Hare Mukunda Murari, Ram Krishna Hare Mukunda Murari, Panduranga Panduranga, Rama Krishna Hare, Panduranga Panduranga, Rama Krishna Hare. Ram Krishna Hare Mukunda Murari, Ram Krishna Hare Mukunda Murari, Panduranga Panduranga, Rama Krishna Hare. Jai Ram Shri Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama, Bolo Jai Ram Shri Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama, Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama, Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama. Vittal Vittal Panduranga, Rama Krishna Hare, Vittal Vittal Panduranga, Rama Krishna Hare, Rama Krishna Hare Mukunda Murari, Rama Krishna Hare Mukunda Murari, Radhe Sham, Radhe Sham, Radhe Sham, Radhe Sham, Radha Vallabh Radhe Sham, Radha Vallabh Radhe Sham, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Vallabh Sita Ram, Sita Vallabh Sita Ram, Radha Mukunda Radhe Sham, Radha Mukunda Radhe Sham, Radha Govind Radhe Sham, Radha Govind Radhe Sham, Radha Radha Radha, Radha Radha Radha, Radhe Govinda, Radhe Govinda, Vrindavan Govinda, Vrindavan Govinda, Krishna Mukunda, Krishna Mukunda, He Nanda Nandana, He Nanda Nandana, O Nanda Nandana, O Nanda Nandana, Radhe Govinda, Bolo Radhe Govinda, Radhe Govinda, Radhe Govinda, Ram Krishna Hare Mukunda Murari, Panduranga Panduranga, Rama Krishna Hare. So there's so much, in just a song. Thinking of God, glorifying God, creates inspiration, motivation, mind setting. It creates a mood. It creates that very inspiration in you to want to be with God, to want to hear God. So let us hear from the Ramayana now and other excerpts on God pertaining to what we should know in relation to our spiritual life. Remember we continued Ramayana Katha. Remember, Mother Earth could not bear the sins that was upon her at that time. The sins that were committed by Ravana and all his daughters. She took the form of a cow, and there she went looking for help. In all different quarters, she found saints and sages, gods and goddesses, and there she met with Brahma, and they all went to that ocean, Kshirosagar, where they prayed, and they offered their prayers. But they took a time that they were tested and tried, and they could not find answers. And among them, Lord Shiva spoke and told that one must not give up one's faith. One must not lose oneself to the pressures of life. One must know and believe in oneself, for love itself can reveal everything. For God is love, and love is God. So he told them, in one's heart, God resides. Turn into oneself and appeal to God. And there they sung together. जय जय सूर नायक जन सुखदायक प्रमथ पाल भगवंता गौ द्विज हितकारी जय सुरारी सिंधु सुता प्रियकंता पालन सुर घरनी अद्भुत करनी मर्म न जाने कोई पालन सुर धरने अद्भुत करनी मम न जाने कोई जो सहज कृपाला दीन दयाला करहु अनुग्रह सोई जय जय अविनाशी सब घटवासी व्यापक परम आनंदा अविगत गौतीता चरित्र पुनीता माया रहित मुकुंदा जेहि लागी बैरागी अति अनुरागी विगत मोह मुनि वृंदा निशिवासर द्यावही हरि गुण गावही जय ति सच्चिदानंदा जेहि सृष्टि उपाई त्रिविध बनाई संग सहायन दूजा सो करौ अधारी चित्त हमारी जानिय भक्ति न पूजा जो भव भय भंजन मुनि मनरंजन भंजन विपति वरूटा मन करम बचवानी चारि सयानी शरण सकल सुरयूता शारद श्रुति शेषा ऋषय शेषा जा कहाँ को न जाना जेहि दीन पियारे वेर पुकारे द्रवहु सो श्री भगवन भव वारिधि मंदर सब विधि सुंदर गुण मंदिर सुख पूजा मोनि सेद सकल सुर परम बयातुर नमत नाथ पर कंजा नमत नाथ पर कंजा नमत means to bow par means feet पर कंजा the lotus feet of God जानी समय सुर भूमि सुनो बचन समेत सने गमन गगन गिरा गंभीर भई हर निशोक संधे. The word sandhe means doubts. So here it says that here Mother Earth, understanding now that God is within the hearts of all. God is that one whom can be reached through love. They prayed. They devote themselves to the cause. What was the cause? To get God to come and rid the world of fear, of doubt, to rid the world of evil, to rid the world of all the problems and difficulties. So this is a lesson first. What is the lesson? Is that we cannot do things on our own. We need God in our lives, all of us. And God must come into our lives and be instrumental. Now, just like power to the appliances. When you have appliance, the appliance might do something for you, right? But if it is not connected, to the source, to the power, it will not do anything for you. So therefore we need to find a way to connect to that divine form of God, to that eternal form of God. I told you that God has two aspects, Sagun, Nirgun. Nirgun is without form, Sagun is with form. Right? Sometimes, we have to realize that God does not exist in the abstract forms that we can hold on to. He is beyond that. But yet these forms can take us there. Because just as his name can take us there. Janidar pahumone se drasaresha tu mahila gidhar hi unaresha ashan sahita manujavatara lehau dinkar vanchaudara. Now that very presence of God, hey Devta, Munis Siddha logo, O Devtas, O Munis, तुम मत डरो, don't have any fear. मैं तुम्हारे हेतु मनुष्य अवतार में धारण. I have prepared myself to come on earth to play the Manush Leela, to be man on earth in the human form. करूँगा. अंशों में सहित में मनुष्य का अवतार सूर्य वंश में लूँगा. Without doubt I would come to remove the worries, to take away the fear. Among man I would be in the Surya Vansh. Now there are two Vansh that is referred here. It have the Chandra Vansh and the Surya Vansh. The Yadu and the Raghu. The Raghu is the Surya and the Yadu is the Chandra. Vansh means the lineage, the very cool that is coming from the sun, Ishwaku, and from the moon. Right? So therefore, we have to understand that here it is that Ramchandra ji, he came in the Surya Vansh. It says, Jai Ram, Shri Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama, Shri Rama, Jai Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama. Kashyapa-diti maha tapaho kinha tinaka me purab varadinha te dasharat kaushilya rupat Koshalapura Pragata Narabhupa. You see that great saint Kashyap, Aditi, बड़ा तप किया है. Kashyap and Aditi, they did great tapasya, तप किया और उनके पहले वर दे चुका दूं. And I have given them boon. वे ही दशरथ कौशल्या के रूप से मनुष्यों के राजा अयोध्या प्रकट हुआ है. They have become Manu and Satrapa, and then as Manu and Satrapa, they have also become Kausalya and Dasharath. These two, Kashyap and Aditi, he says, they are waiting for me in the city of Ayodhya. तेना के गृहावतर हो जाई रघुकुल तिलक सो चारु भाई. नारद बचन सत्य सब करी हो परम शक्ति समेत अवतरी हो. He says, in that ghar, unke mein ghar mein avatar mein lunga. I will be born in that very home. Raghukul ke tilak hum char bhai hoge. I will become the gem of that home. His 4 brothers, as 4 sons. And therefore, the Narad ji ke bachan mein satya karunga. And therefore, I will make the words of Narad come true. You know, Narad boasted about being controlling Maya. He said he defeated Maya. And that katha, you know, it's a beautiful one. I will maybe explain it for you in my next satsang. But it is important because these are the reasons why the Lord came in the form of man. Narad ended up cursing God, you know. Cursed God when he could not get what he wanted. And I hope none of you do that. I hope none of you do get vexed with God, because God knows what is good for you and what is not good for you. and therefore He will bless you accordingly. He will bless you accordingly to what is good for you. So you have to believe in God. You have to believe in God. Therefore, he says that to make the words of Narad true, I will take form in this world, and my Param Shakti will come too. Who is this Param Shakti? Mother Lakshmi. Hari ho sakala bhome gorai, nirmaya hoi deva samudai, gagana brahmvani sunikana, turata fire sura hridaya judana. सब पृथ्वी का भार हरूंगे। हे देवताओं में निर्भय हो जाओ, आकाश में ईश्वरों में वाणी, कानों में सुन देवता, मन में प्रसन्न होकर तुरंत लौट में. He said all of them, you would have to come to earth and fill the earth as monkeys and bears to fulfill the very words of Narad and to make my very Leela accomplish. Go back now to your abode, go to the respectful places and stay there until the time. Now the devatas were pleased. तब ब्रह्मा धरनी समुझावा अभय भई भरोसा जियावा. Then Brahma, Prithvi, they understand. They all understand and they all bow their heads to God and they return. Ninjalo kabiranchi gaye devana iha hi sikhai banar tanudari dharani maha Hari parase vahu jaya siya pati Ramachandra ji ki jai sharanam. So Brahma ji, he made all understand that Akash Vani that they heard was the voice of God, and they all went to their own abode very happy indeed, knowing that the Lord had assured them that he would come to rescue the earth and rid the earth of all fears and all doubts. Now remember, I told you that everything in this life needs a plan. And I told you when you get up in the morning, you must get up with a plan. You must not just get up your bed, you must get up, put your hands, remember the mantra, Karagre Vasate Lakshmi, Karmadye Saraswati, Karmule tu Govinda, Prabhate Karadarishanam. And then when you will bow to the earth, I will teach you that mantra, then you will do everything that you do, you must do it with God in mind. Remember that. And I taught you about the mantras and the aim. Remember, there's a lot of mantras that we want to teach you and I want you to know. Remember that mantra to Lord Sri Shiv Shankara, right? That I taught you, that will help you to overcome the evils of this world, and it will again help you to go beyond death itself. The Trayambakam mantra. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandanat Mrityura Mokshiya Ma Amrita. Right? Now we'll do the one for retiring now. Om Kayena Vacha Manasendriyeva Buddhyatmanava Prakriti Swabhava Karomi Arya Sakalam Parasmai Narayanayeti Samarapayami Narayanayeti Samarapayami. No, that's a beautiful mantra which tells and confess to God that we are not, in control. You are in control. You have to help us. I'll give you more meaning. But I want to say today, I want to say to you that we are responsible for our lives, and we must mold ourselves to suit the world that we are living in. I also want you to remember that you have to subscribe. Siddhi always remind me, and I always forget. Siddhi is such a great granddaughter. I wish everybody should have a granddaughter like Siddhi. Now Siddhi says they must subscribe. When you subscribe now, you're going to get me live on your YouTube, because my YouTube will always, channel will always notify you whenever I am on. And very soon I'm going to do one of my cooking recipe as well. So we are going to have now from today, we are going a full video. We are not putting it in parts anymore. So you're getting the full video as the satsang unfolds. So I want to thank you for all your support, and I want to remind you that I continue to give my hampers, I continue to do whatever because people continue to call on me and I have to answer. As a pundit, we have to answer. So I just want you to know that I cannot stop myself from answering. I need to, but you have to help me to give an answer to the people out there who need help. So I want to thank you for your generous support, and I want to pray for you to continue to be wealthy, continue to be healthy, continue to be free from all disease and sickness, and live a good life. Let us pray together. Om Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Maruta Sunavanti Divyaistavai Vedai Sanga Parakrama Upanishadi Gayanti Yam Shamaga Dhyana Vashtataragate Namanasa Pashyanti Yam Yogino Yashyantam Navidu Asuraganam Devatasmai Namo Namam Om Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gagana Sadrisham Megavaranam Shubhanganam Lakshmi Kantam Kamalanayanam Yoga Virdhyana Gamyam Vande Vishnu Bhauvaharanam Sarvalokaikanathanam. So without fear, without doubt, I say unto you, believe in God. I know there's a very many people out there whom are in problems and difficulties. There one who had an operation day before on the knee, there's one who was in the hospital, and I'm praying for them. And I want you to know that I love you all very much, and I pray for you all. There's one whom I had to talk to today who was upset about a relationship, and all these things. I just want you to know that the world will always be the world. The things of this world have a nature. Fire will always burn you because that's the nature of fire. A snake will always bite you because that's the nature of a snake. A scorpion will sting you. That is the nature of a scorpion. So know exactly the nature of things, and then when it's hurt you or when it bless you, you know exactly what to expect. I thank you all, and Sitaram. Sab koi Sitaram. Bole Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai!